Hey yo everybody, it's day one of my trip to France. It's 8:20 p.m. and we're currently at the Halifax International Airport. This is just week 1 of 3. Quick disclaimer, this week was pretty chill. We didn't really do much interesting things, as you'll see throughout the video. We are now boarding our 4-hour plane at, I believe, 9:30 at night. On the plane now, just gotta find my seat. By the way, I'm great at filming feet, LOL. The plane was not too full, not too empty either. Halifax to Iceland. We made it to the Iceland airport at 6:20 in the morning. This airport isn't too big, but definitely not as small as the Halifax one. We had to take a shuttle to the plane. This plane was less full than the first one. Iceland to Paris. We have arrived at the Paris airport at 1:20 p.m. We have to exit through this tunnel with, what's the word? They're not escalators. Walkolators? I like that word. I'm gonna say that. Walkolators. They have so many walkolators in Paris. First things first, let's get some lunch. I got this sandwich. It's got lettuce, tomato, fresh mozzarella. It tasted pretty good. Give it an 8.3 out of 10. Okay, it's time to head to our Airbnb. We've made it! This is our Airbnb from 2 years ago, so if you want a full tour, there's a link to a video in the description below. This will be my room. The bed feels comfortable. Quick room tour. We got the wardrobe, bed, the 2 tables, the window. Oh, and the mirror. Hi. Now let's unpack. Before, after. It's been a long day. I'm tired, I'm jet lagged, I'm definitely ready to catch some sleep. Good night, everyone. Day 2. Good morning, everyone. Outfit of the day. Time to go to the city. We ended up walking the main street of the city. Hey, it's me! As you can see, I'm very excited because we have found something interesting. Boba in France? Yes, please. Ooh, this is a fun chair. It's pretty cute with all the flowers and decor. I decided to get melon tea boba. It tastes actually really good. I'd give it a 9.6 out of 10. We went to the tourism office to try to find things to do. We decided to try this city scavenger hunt. Heading to the first location. Location number 1. At every location we have to try and find like a marking. Oh, I found it. Let me show you. We have to find a green marking like this. Location number 2. Oh, we found it. There it is. Location number 3. This one was a little more difficult to find because it was kinda hidden. Couldn't really film well, but it's in that hole somewhere. Location number 4. Found it. Right there. Location number 5. Speed round. It's in the tree. Location number 6. Speed round. That's why I'm running. And I almost tripped. Did you see it? Because I don't know what I filmed. Cut to the end of the day, since we didn't do anything else worth mentioning. And I'm tired, so good night. Day 3. Good morning, everyone. Outfit of the day. Decided to go on a walk in a small village. In this village, there's like a trail with a bunch of sculptures of the timeline of the death of Jesus. Remember, this is France, so very Catholic, okay? By the way, I tried to say Catholicism. Gosh, that's a hard word for me. We also visited the little church of this small village. I mean, I do gotta give props though. They knew how to build churches years ago. From the architecture to the sculptures to the stained glass windows. Very detailed, very pretty. Ooh, I gotta show this. The sunlight reflecting through the window on the ground. That's pretty. End of day 3. Didn't do much more, but it was fun, and I'm tired, so good night. Day 4. Good morning, everyone. Outfit of the day. Took a walk to the local bakery to get some breakfast. This is also a fairly small town, which is pretty common in this region of France. Yeah, that was day 4. Didn't really do much, again. Good night. Day 5. Good morning, everyone. Outfit of the day. Yeah, so day 5 and 6 kind of blended together and were both so uninteresting. But stay tuned for next week because that video is way more interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye.